Thank you, Tom. Of course, time to get the latest in the world of business. My name is Betty Kiptum. Now, on this last day of February 2023, the Kenya National Bureau of Statistics has announced that inflation has risen to a 3-month high of 9.2%, driven by costlier food items. Of course, inflation is the rate of increase in commodity prices. Now, moving on to other news, the National Assembly has approved the first supplementary budget that, among others, avails 15 billion shillings for the subsidized fertilizer program and 22 billion shillings for settling arrears owed to road contractors. While debating the estimates, some legislators called on the government to reintroduce subsidies on the basic commodities such as fuel to reduce the cost of living.
That this House also approves what we saw as the right thing to do, that we have reinstated back 10 billion Kenya shillings, Mr. Speaker, that will go purposely into the payments of pending bills of the ongoing roads projects. And therefore, Mr. Speaker, we have been able to provision through the supplementary estimates an additional 22 billion Kenya shillings that will go into making sure that the contractors go back to site.
Therefore, the reduction of 300 billion in these books, and the chair of the budget committee is here, he can confirm it is a fact that this budget has been cut by over 300 billion shillings. Why not for the bad manners of the 223 payments that now John Buddy wants to belittle and say it is talk? It is not just talk. Figures are speaking here. And therefore, let us not defend the indefensible. Let us not defend
order. Report, the same report is reading is talking of only 130 billion spent under Article 223. The total. Both the previous regime and the current regime, including the office of the DP, have spent 130 billion. For heaven's sake, that is not 300 billion shillings. So the question is, even if that is what distorted your pledge and promise that you told the people of Kenya with flowery language of 300 billion, then you should tell us where 170 billion is. You have not succeeded in reducing the budget with 300 billion as you promised Kenyans, and that is why I was saying we must hold leaders to account.
2023 and Roman 6 further makes the policy resolutions contained in the second schedule to the order paper. Honourable members, as men of that opinion say aye. Aye. As men of the contrary opinion say nay. The ayes have it.